Welcome to the VidPro AI Studio training video series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to record a standard video in VidPro AI Studio. Go to the left menu and click on Videos. Now choose your message type. Now record your video message.
Hi, we are here to introduce VidPro AI Studio, a platform where you can craft dynamic videos using various video and audio messages.
Once you are done recording, click on Stop. Now click on Save and Continue. Now enter your video title and description. You can use AI Content Finder to find AI content for your video. Now choose the language of your video. Choose the language in which you want to convert your video. Click on Next, and here you can customize your video player. We will cover detailed functionality of video message player settings in upcoming videos. Once you are done, click on Submit and your video message is ready. You can copy your video message URL. You can play your video. Play your video in your desired language.
Ciao, siamo Maui per presentare VidPro AI Studio, una piattaforma dove ti ricreare video dinamici utilizzando messaggi video e audio. Hola, es Mr. Present Studio, una plataforma donde puedes crear videos dinámicos utilizando diversos mensajes de video y audio.
You can see your video message in the My Video Messages section. You can share and embed your video message on any platform. We will cover the detailed functionality of My Video Messages section in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching the video.